Is your iPhone's Wi-Fi acting up? Bluetooth not pairing? Mobile data suddenly slow or not working? Before you pull your hair out, there's a powerful built-in fix: resetting your network settings. This won't delete your photos or apps, but it will wipe all your saved connections and start fresh. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide to reset. First, on your iPhone, open your Settings app. It's the gear icon. Then navigate to General. Scroll down and tap on General. Inside General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here you'll see reset options. Tap it. A menu will pop up. Here, you'll select the second option, Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will now ask you to enter your device passcode to confirm. This is a security step to make sure it's really you. Enter your iPhone passcode to continue. A final red confirmation button will appear. It will warn you again that this will reset all network settings. Tap Reset Network Settings to proceed. And that's it. Your iPhone will restart automatically. Once it's back on, you'll see that your Wi-Fi is turned off and you're no longer connected to any networks. If this guide helped you fix your connection, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guides. Thanks for watching.